Hi students, I am Praveen Sebastian Paul. In this lecture, we are discussing the Mohan Foundation India. Mohan Foundation is a non-profit, registered, non-government charity organization in India that work in the field of deceased organ donation and transplantation. Mohan is an acronym for Multi-Organ Harvesting Aid Network, MOHAN. It has offices in Chennai, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Delhi, Mumbai, Chandigarh, Nagpur, Jaipur, and information centers at Kerala and Imphal. The Mohan Foundation was first conceived in 1996 and was started in 1997 in Chennai. It was founded by the urologist and transplant surgeon Sunil Shroff. It has its headquarters in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. In 1994, the Indian Parliament passed the Transplantation of Human Organ Act (THO Act) that accepted brain death for organ donation and made organ commerce a punishable offense. For the first time in India, it was possible for the deceased to donate their organs and tissues provided the family consented to organ donation. India follows informed consent, unlike Spain and some of the other European countries that follow presumed consent. There are 23 organs in human body and one can donate kidney, heart, liver, lung, pancreas and small bowels, as well as tissues like cornea, skin, bone, tendons, cartilage and heart valves. However, due to the lack of awareness level among the public and medical professionals, this concept of organ donation in India need a shift in attitudes. There are a lot of celebrities associated with the Mohan Foundation. The celebrities like actors, cricket players, religious leaders and politicians have been used to popularize the concept of organ donation and create public awareness about the cause. In India, Priyanka Chopra, Anil Kumble, Revati Menon, Madhavan, Sunil Shetty, Shivakumar, Kiran Rao, Raveena Tandon, Navjot Singh Sidhu, Gautam Gambhir, Farah Khan, Nandita Das, Amir Khan and Anand Gandhi are some of the celebrities who have promoted and pledged their organs to be donated. The actress Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has promoted eye donation in the past. In April 2012, Sheila Dikshit, the then Chief Minister of Delhi, became the first Chief Minister in India to pledge her organ when she signed a pledge board on organ donation at an event held in New Delhi. In 2014, the former captain of India, Kapil Dev, pledges his support for organ donation by signing the donor card. On October 7, 2020, the Bollywood megastar Amitabh Bachchan also pledged to donate his organs. For promoting the organ donation, the Mohan Foundation generally provides an organ donor card. The donor card expresses one's desire to donate organ after death and have been used by Mohan Foundation to create awareness and get organ pledges. Over 1 million such cards in English and regional Indian languages have been distributed by the foundation in over a decade. In a major organ donation drive in March 2012 called DAAN, it partnered with HCL Technologies along with Apollo Group of Hospitals Chennai and Chennai Police, Indian Medical Association, Cadaver Transplant Program of Government of Tamil Nadu and received 12,900 plus pledges from policemen, doctors and corporate employees. This was the largest organ donation campaign in the country at that time. However, this record was suppressed by the Times of India in July-August 2013. Times of India partnered with 4 NGOs in the field of organ donation, create the awareness and received 50,000 plus pledges for organs. The Mohan Foundation also focuses upon the training for transplant coordinators. A transplant coordinator is a medical professional, a doctor, allied healthcare professional or a medical social worker who coordinate activities related to organ donation. One of their core functions is to counsel the family of a brain dead individual for organ donation. These coordinators can act as link between hospitals, citizens, donors and patients requiring organ donation. The foundation provides training for coordinators include courses of 1 week, 1 month, 6 months and 1 year in length. The 1-year postgraduate diploma in transplant coordination and the grief counseling is a unique blended learning course for working healthcare professionals. Beside all these, they provide online registry formations. The registries for organ allocation ensures fair, equitable and transparent distribution of organ and ensures that harvested organs are not wasted for want of recipient. They helps to make sure that no one jumps the waiting list in the queue. In 2005, the Indian Society of Organ Transplant initiated an Indian Transplant Registry where expertise was provided by technical staff of Mohan Foundation. In 2009, the cadaver transplant program of Government of Tamil Nadu used the previous experience of the foundation in creation of a registry for deceased donor and transplantation. Similar registries was created for the Department of Health, Government of Kerala in 2012 and the Department of Medical Health and Family Welfare, Government of Rajasthan in 2014. The Government of India also has a plan for National Organ Registry. So my dear students, in this lecture we had discussed the Mohan Foundation. That is, the Mohan Foundation is a non-profitable registered NGO charity organization in India, and the term Mohan is an acronym for Multi-Organ Harvesting Aid Network, and its headquarters is located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So my dear students, hope you had understood this topic. So dear students, kindly go through this assignment question. The question is brief about Mohan Foundation. So my dear students, by this lecture we had completed the topics in organ transplantation. So dear students, from lecture number 58 to lecture number 70 we had discussed the various aspects in organ donation. So hope we will see soon with another set of lectures. So see you soon. Until then, goodbye, thank you and all the best.